Well, so here is our table. So as you can see, there's different separation, and three most important topics are metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Up you can see what's going to talk about next. Characteristics, location in the periodic table, a cation or an anion, depending on what's more common. Then physical properties, later chemical properties, and then just an example and use. Let's start with metals. Their characteristics are that they have gloss, they are malleable, conduct electricity and heat, and they are all solid except mercury. Next, with the nonmetals, they are brittle and solid state. Many are gases in room temperature. Most do not conduct heat and electricity. No metallic luster. Then, with the metalloids, they have physical and chemical properties of metals and others of nonmetals. Extremely abundant elements also in the earth. Next, we're going to locate them in the periodic table. Metals are the most abundant, and they are in the left of the table. The nonmetals, they are on the right part of the table, and metalloids are between and metals and nonmetals. Then we have physical properties that they are good conductors, ductile, malleable, high melting point, and good heat conductors. Then nonmetals are bad conductors, non-ductile, solid degrader gases, low melting point, and poor heat conductor. They are opaque. And metalloids have solid state, metallic luster, brittle elasticity, and conductivity. They also have chemical properties that are very much like the contrary of each other. But metalloids have properties of both. And there are some examples of use. For example, metals have like gold and iron. Gold can be jewelry, and iron construction tools. Nonmetals are oxygen, breath, and sulfuric acid. Then with the metalloids are arsenic and silicon that are used to manufacture electronic devices. And they are cations, anions, and both.
To start, we're gonna explain the procedure of this experiment. First, we're gonna grab an object and connect it to a light bulb to then see if the current passes, and finish with a conclusion that we will gonna see what happened in if the lights get on or the light is still off. First, we're gonna use the scissors, that is a conductor. Then we next with the copper, that is a conductor. Then we're gonna use the metal pencil sharpener, that also is a conductor. The metal hook, that is a conductor. Gold, that also is a conductor. Wood, that is not a conductor. The pen cap, that is not a conductor. The clip, that is a conductor but makes sparks. Paper, that is not a conductor. Graphite, that makes sparks. Sugar, that is not a conductor. And then finally we got the salt, that is not a conductor.
In conclusion, in this laboratory practice, we test the conductivity of different materials by completing an electrical circuit with a light bulb. We observe that materials like gold allow the flow of current and turn on the light bulb, while others, like wood, do not because they are insulators. This helps us understand the importance of materials in electrical conduction and their application in everyday life.